SEMRush's keyword gap analysis tool is unique in that it enables you to analyze paid versus organic keyword gaps. So a few different use cases could include finding all the keywords your competitors are bidding on that you aren't, finding all the keywords you rank for outside the top 3 positions but are not bidding on. And these are areas where you may need to provide some paid air cover, or you could find all the keywords that your competitors are bidding on that you aren't targeting as part of your organic strategy. And this could highlight some higher intent keyword gaps. But we'll start here with the paid air cover example. So let's pretend that SEMRush wants to provide some paid air cover for all their high intent keywords that they are not yet ranking for inside the top 3 positions. So in the SEMRush Gap Analysis tool, what you would do is enter your main domain, but set it to paid keywords from the drop down here. And then next you would enter in that subfolder location that houses your highest intent organic keywords. And then enter the subfolder drop down here, make sure that's set to organic keywords, and then hit compare. Now, because we're only interested in looking at areas where we're not bidding on keywords yet and we're ranking outside the top 3 positions, what I like to do is come into competitor, since that's essentially what we've listed here as our SEMRush features folder. So we'll make sure we come down to competitor, and then we're looking for any keywords in this case where, let's just say we have positions 4 to 10. So we're on the first page, we're not yet in the top 3 positions, and then I would select apply. And now what I can do is scroll down here and hit the missing tab. And what I'm going to see now are all of the keywords that SEMRush is currently ranking for in positions 4 to 10, but they aren't bidding on yet with paid search. Now you can apply some intent filters here to trim this down even more. But now I'll just scan down this list and I would start to look for any really high value, high intent keywords that I need to bid on while my organic rankings are maturing. So as I scroll down, I can see something like competitor analysis tool, maybe even PPC research, since they have their advertising toolkit, or paid search tools. Backlinking tools could be another really good one. Competitive research tools, keyword analyzer, on-page SEO tools, that could be another great one. So these are good keywords that they have good volume that they could add into their paid keyword rotation until those organic rankings mature. Okay, so another example here is we can use the gap analysis tool where we can compare organic and paid keywords to see or find high value keyword gaps. So what we would do in this case, for example, if we were copper, we could put in our root domain organic keywords, and then we would enter in a competitor like Pipedrive, root domain, but in this case, we want to look at paid keywords. So we're comparing where we've got gaps, where copper isn't ranking organically, but Pipedrive is bidding on those keywords. So we'll click compare. And now you can scroll down here and you can see the missing keywords tab. And these are all the keywords now that Pipedrive are bidding on these keywords, but Copper has no organic visibility around these currently. Now you could just scroll down this list and start to select different keywords that you want to add into your organic rotation, or maybe even bid on in paid search yourself. And you can come up as well and add in some more modifiers or even volume and position thresholds to trim this list down first. So an example of this was I might be looking at any keywords to start with that have that software modifier. So I'll click apply. And that's going to trim down my keyword set now 212 missing opportunities. And I can instantly start to see things like best or top CRM software, sales CRM software, and then even industry or vertical specific ones like best real estate CRM software, best CRM software for small businesses. So these could all be really good keywords to go after that have a lot more intent behind them. And then let's just add one more filter on here and say, let's just look for all of the opportunities that have low competition. Now I've got 41 missing keywords. And if I see here, there's very specifics like logistics CRM software. That could be a really good keyword, much lower competition. Best B2B CRM software for the travel industry. So it looks like there's a lot of vertical or industry specific keyword opportunities that Copper could go after.